Alright, this is just a little update on the storm that's on the way. So it's supposed to be a pretty massive snowstorm. For here, about 8 to 12 inches. Probably more likely 8. But in some places, possibly over 3 feet of snow. There's ice right there. But yeah, I am hearing that it could be a bomb cyclone that's intensifies faster than Winter Storm Grayson at possibly 70 millibars in 24 hours. Which I hope is not that bad. And I guess that's pretty much all I have to say. Probably gonna make a vlog tomorrow. Then it'll be up by Sunday. And yeah, that's pretty much all I have to say.